Stonehenge for the digital age.
In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or build a full-fledged business, there are various strategies you can adopt.
Go ahead.
Here are 7 proven methods to make money online in 2024.
7?
Tata 1, freelancing, your skills. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your skills.
What are you doing? Freelancing.
Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer services ranging from graphic design to writing.
Writing?
Oh, you must be kidding me!
Oh, well, that's easy.
That's so easy.
By creating a strong portfolio and gathering client reviews, you can establish a reliable income stream. 2, online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider becoming an online coach or consultant.
Really? Consult?
This model allows you to charge for your knowledge, helping clients improve their skills or solve their problems.
Okay.
Websites like Clarity.fm connect you with potential clients, making it easier to get started. 3. Creating online courses. Packaging your knowledge into an online course can be a lucrative venture. Once you develop a course, it can generate passive income over time. Choose a topic in high demand, validate it through surveys, and launch it to your audience for maximum effect. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales generated through your referral links.
Money.
Rich.
By joining affiliate networks relevant to your niche, you can effectively monetize your audience while providing them with valuable recommendations. 5. Writing paid newsletters.
You paid somebody to write this.
I get paid to know good writing.
If you're passionate about writing, consider creating a paid newsletter. Unlike traditional publications, running your own newsletter gives you full control over your content and revenue. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience for better engagement and subscription. 6. Selling digital products. From ebooks to printables, selling digital products can provide a scalable income.
Talking about making money.
I talked about the money.
All she talks about is money, money, money.
Money, 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 money.
Identify yourselves.
Identify your strengths, create quality products, and market them through your website or platforms like Etsy.
Gone digital?
That's where the money is.
Exactly.
Digital products often require minimal overhead and can continue to generate income long after the initial creation. 7.
Hey, hi. What you got for me?
They talk about how to make more money.
So, we can make some money off of this?
You will make lots of money.
Trust me.
Trust me, bro.
Flipping websites or domains.
Websites.
Yeah.
If you're tech savvy, flipping websites or domains can be a profitable venture. Purchase underperforming sites, improve their content and SEO, and then sell them at a profit.
More money. I'm gonna be rich.
Alternatively, you can buy desirable domain names and sell them to interested buyers. These strategies demonstrate the variety of ways you can make money online in 2024. Remember, success often requires time and effort, so choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests. For more in-depth insights and tips, subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.